Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a huge box from Smooshy Mushy. They decided to send me a whole box of them, and I'm so excited because this is series 3. I've never actually bought none of these, so I'm really excited. So if you're new to my channel, then go ahead and subscribe down below, turn on my post notifications so you won't miss another video like this. Let's try to get this video to 400 likes. I know we can do it. We've been beating all our records. So today I received a package from Smooshy Mushy. They're a squishy company, and I'm so excited because they sent me this as a gift, and I'm excited to open it. I've never actually had none of these, and I've seen them around Walmart and I think Target, but I actually never bought any. But I'm excited because they sent me some today. So they sent me, I think, all of these and some of their little what's it called, the miniature ones. So I'm excited to open them. So let's open it together. So it comes with this note, and it says Creamery Craziness, and it has a Baskin Robbins gift card, I think. Have a Smooshy Mushy ice cream party on us. So thank you for the gift card, Smooshy Mushy. I'm really excited to use it. So let me take out everything first, and then I'll show you guys. But look how packaged it is, you guys. It's so cute. They sent these little worms. So nice. Let me take everything out. So the first thing I pulled out the box is this little Smooshy Mushy besties, and I think these are the miniature ones, and I'm so excited to open it. So they come in this little cute container, and then the back says just like what's it made out of and things. So let's open it. And this is series 3, so yeah. I got the marshmallow, you guys. I'm excited. Oh my god. Look how cute that is. Look, you guys. Let's squish it. Ooh. Oh, rolls away. It's so cute. Not slow rising, but it's still squishy. It's really nice. I really like it. All of these do come with a ball chain, so you can put these as like your keychain thing. So let's put it on this one. So this next one is Smooshy Mushy Besties again, but this one is the Snackies. The last one was a Sweeties. So I hope I get the corn dog this time, but let's see. Aww, I got a chicken nugget though. It's so cute, you guys. Look, this one came with the thing already attached. What? It's so cute though, look. Aww. Comes with the green ball chain, and it's so cute, you guys. Not slow rising either, but it's okay. So this one is a Munchies now, so let's open this one. And I got a sandwich. Oh, that's weird. The last one didn't come with the little bag either. Oh no, I didn't get a sandwich. I got a taco, you guys. Look how cute that is. This one's more slow rising than the other ones. It's super kawaii face. So cute. I wish these came in bigger sizes. So here are the 3 besties I got. Honestly, all of them are my favorite, but my favorite one has to be either the marshmallow or the taco. These are the cutest ones, you guys, don't you think? Leave down in the comments below which one do you guys think is your guys' favorite. I say my favorite is... Oh, I'm gonna have to choose the taco. The taco is the cutest one for me, you guys. Choose down below. Tell me in the comments down below. So next they sent these ice cream ones, and I think these are the bigger squishies. And right here it says 8 to collect, and I'm excited. And it says it comes with a Smooshy Mushy pet and a mystery bestie, and also a sticker and a name tag. That's super cool. Let's open this one. This one's the blue one. How do you open it? So these are cute containers, you guys. Let me take this tag off. These containers are so cute. Let's open. How do you open? Oh, you twist it off. You have to twist it off. Ooh, who do I get? This is bestie, and they come in this little bag, so it can be a mystery. Who do I get? Oh, so I got this cute little ice cream, you guys. It's so cute. Look at the little kawaii face and sprinkles. It's so pretty and cute, and look how squishy it is. Honestly, I really like it. I love these little Smooshy Mushy ones. And I think the big one, hold up, it looks like a leopard. Hold up, I don't even know my animals, you guys. So here's the sticker, and here's the squishy. Let's squish it. Oh my god, you guys, look how slow rising these are. They smell so good, you guys. They smell fruity. So cute. It also comes with this little miniature ice cream cone that's so cute. Sorry, there's little sprinkles. And these come with the ball chain. I'm gonna leave those in there. I'm not gonna put the ball chains on right now. So what else does it come with? So it comes with the name tag. You can name them. That's cute. Comes with the sticker and just with the container. Oh, and the, hold up, there's something else in here. What is this? Oh, it's like, oh, I got Suzy, Snow Leopard, and Bobby Bubblegum. That's cute. Also, an origami thing. Oh, that's cool. You can make like a little origami. So let me open the other one. I'm excited now. So this purple one, let's see who he has inside. Let's open. I'm not gonna turn it on around just yet. These sprinkles. Hold up. How do you open these? So that's easy to open. Oh, there you go. So who would I get for my bestie? What? Wait. I got a pink one now. Here's the last one. Look. They're cute though. Oh, this is more slow rising. So that's that. And the big one. Oh my god! You guys, it looks like a little monkey. Let's squish it. So slow rising. So this one, I believe, is called Mimi Monkey and Robin Rainbow. That's so cute. So, as usual, it comes with the sticker also. And it matches with its owner. Comes with the name tag. Comes with the little brochure. And the little ice cream cone with the little ball chains. So I want to open more. So this next one is this green one, and I'm not gonna look and see. Let's see the Smooshy Mushy bestie first. They smell so good, you guys. I don't know if it's scented, but it's like a sweet smell. Oh, it's like a little ice cream. That's so cute. And here's the sticker. Tasty Corgi and Sandy sandwich. Here it is. So slow rising. It's not that slow rising, but it's okay. It's so squishy, guys. So cute. Really little funky on top. The bottom is just cheesy. I honestly love these guys. It's so cute. And inside, as well as the tag and the top for the color. So on to the last one, you guys. I want to buy more now to collect them. So the last one is the pink one, and I'm not gonna see who it is because I want a specific one. But here, let's open this. If you guys can't see me, but I'm not looking. I'm gonna cover this up. Okay, there you go. And I'm gonna open this because I want a specific one, but I don't want to get my hopes up. Oh, I know already. It's the frog, guys. Oh, I got the frog. It's cute still though. Look at the ice cream sandwich. It's so cute. So cute. so cute.
So I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did like the video, then go ahead and like, share, and subscribe. And remember, if you guys want to go buy some of these, then I'll leave the link down below, or you guys can go visit your local Walmart and find them there. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.